Friends, good morning to all of you. Now we are starting the last exercise of 2.4. This is the last exercise of chapter 2 of polynomial of the standard 10th. We will have to complete in this exercise the cubic equation. Cubic equation, all of you know about that cubic equation having power 3, but we will have to solve the questions which are related to its making and its solving, means the process and how can we get its equation. Both of those are very important in this exercise. Look at there, we have written for cubic equation means this is related to cubic equation. We are getting the format of cubic equation. Look at there, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Look at it, students, if we are assuming alpha, beta and gamma, we have already completed in the quadratic equation. Clear? So just think about this is the cubic equation. How many roots are there? 3 roots are there. So we are assuming alpha, beta and gamma are its solution. Now look at, we are saying that alpha plus beta plus gamma, this is the formula. We will have to learn all of the formulas which are very necessary. Clear? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Clear? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Alpha beta and gamma is equal to minus d by a. Clear? Just think about that. I am repeating again. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. Look at there. Now look at, we are observing another formula. What is written there? If Px is a cubic equation, then what is the formula? Px is equal to x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x plus alpha beta gamma. Clear? Means this is the formula, this is the structure, this is the format of finding the cubic polynomial. Just think about that. We are getting the first question which is related to this one. What the information is given? The question number first is giving the information, verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomial below are their zeros. Clear? Look at there. What are the equations are given and which type of information are given? Look at there first. Alpha is equal to, given, we can write here given alpha equal to 1 by 2, beta equal to minus beta equal to 1 and gamma equal to minus 2. Look at that. Alpha plus, we will have to first of all finding out the different parts. Look at there, you will have to find out alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha and alpha beta gamma. Separate we will have to find out. Alpha plus beta plus gamma, so look at there 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2. Look at there, we are doing the addition of fraction. Look at there is 1 by 1, 2 by 1, what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 2. Clear? There 2 divide 1 time, 1 1 1 how many times? 2 times, so 2 1 2. 1 how many times? 2 times, 2 2 4. Look at the 2 and 3 minus 4, how much? Minus 1 by 2. Direct I am writing. Clear? Now look at alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Look at the alpha beta is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1 by 2. Look at there 1 by 2, there 1 by 2 minus 2 2 cancel minus 1. Look at that. We are doing the same, what? Addition of fraction. 2 1 1, how much? LCM? LCM is equal to 2. LCM is equal to 2. Now look at 2. 1 there, 1, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. How much? 4 to 6, minus 1, minus 6, 1 minus 6 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now we are finding out alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma how much? Alpha beta gamma 1 by 2 into 1 into minus 2. Look at the 2 cancel, how much? Minus 1. Now we are getting px equal to x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x plus alpha beta gamma. Look at it. x cube here minus alpha beta plus gamma alpha. Look at it. Alpha beta plus gamma, how much? Minus 1 by 2 into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. What is the value there? Value is equal to minus 5 by 2 into x. Alpha beta plus gamma, how much? Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 1. Look at there. What we are getting? We are getting here x cube minus plus x square by 2 minus 5x by 2 minus 1 minus 1. Look at that. Students, you will have to just think about that. Any type of cubic equation, when we are solving at that time we need to see that these are of fractional form or these are of normal form. Clear? These are not in the normal form. So when these are in the fractional form, we will have to take that this equation equal to 0. Understood? When this is not in the normal form, then we don't have to take px or that equation equal to 0. But when it is in the fractional form, which form? Fractional form, then we will have to we will have to express is that is equal to 0. So look at there, because this is in the fractional form. So when px equal to 0, you can write here x cube plus x square by 2 minus 5x by 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now direct we are doing direct LCM. How much? LCM is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now look at 2 goes there and becomes 0. The 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So px equal to 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2. This is the question. Look at that. In the question, this cubic equation is given and saying that these are its solution or not. Then according to this solution, we are getting this equation. So this is verified. Thank you. Now students, we are going to solve the question number 2. The question number 2 is something different from the question number 1. What is the difference? There is the difference that in that the question number 1, alpha, beta and gamma are separately given. But in this question, the combined form is given. Look at there, which information is given? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2 given. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 7 given. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 14 given. Clear? So just think about that. We have already given many types of information. We will have to direct find out px equal to x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta gamma alpha into x plus alpha beta gamma. Clear? According to this question, according to this format, we can solve better. Look at that. We can write in x cube minus alpha beta plus gamma, how much? 2 and x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha is equal to minus 7 into x plus alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 40. Clear? So look at there, x cube minus 2x square minus 7x minus 40. This is the solution. Clear students? I think about that. This question is not very hard, so all of you copy this question. Now students, we are going to solve question number 3. What is the information given? Look at there. Any type of equation we are assuming px, just think about this information is given. And separate zeros are given. Separate zeros are what? Alpha is equal to a minus b given, beta is equal to a given, gamma is equal to a plus b given. And the question are asking find a and b. So look at there. We will first of all find out this one. Clear? We don't have to find 3. Clear? We don't have to find 3 of this one. We will have to only find alpha plus beta plus gamma. Clear? How much? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. A minus B plus beta is equal to A. Gamma is equal to A plus B. How much? How much? Then this one A. How much? 3A. But just think about that. Alpha plus beta is equal to how much? Equal to, that is equal to minus B by A. And look at that. 3A is equal to kitna? Clear? Now look at, if we are finding out A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 1, D is equal to 1. All of you know about that. A means coefficient of x cube, B the coefficient of x square, C coefficient of x, D remaining constant. Clear? According to this one. Now look at 3A is equal to minus B by A. 3A minus B how much? Minus 3. A is equal to 1. So look at here. A is equal to minus 3 plus. Clear? 3A is equal to plus 3. A is equal to, clear, 3 by 3. A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. We are finding out A is equal to 1. Now we are going to find out before the value B. Look at alpha beta gamma. Don't find out the alpha beta gamma plus gamma alpha. You will have to only consider alpha beta gamma. How much? This is equal to C by U. Clear? Look at the alpha beta gamma means A minus B into A plus B. Now look at C by A. C how much? Say 1 by 1. A is equal to how much? A is equal to 1 minus B. Clear? A 1 plus B. Look at that. Means in this equation, I have replaced A is equal to 1 because we have already find out the value of A. So we are replacing this one. Now look at it. 1 minus B, 1 multiplied anything, that will remain 1 minus B and 1 plus B. Means A minus B, A plus B. How much? A square minus B square. The 1 square minus B square is equal to 1. 1 square means 1 minus B square is equal to 1. How much? 1. 1. Look at there. Direct we can write minus B square. 1 there, minus 1. How much? Clear? Sorry, minus C by A. There, minus C by A. Oh, sorry. Minus D by A. Minus D by A. Clear? Minus 1 by 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Sorry students, I have written the wrong formula. Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus D by A. Clear? Therefore this one. Now look at, this is minus 1 and this is minus 1. Minus 1 plus minus 2. Clear? Now look, minus B square minus 2. Now look at minus and minus cancel. The B square is equal to 2 and B is equal to how much? Root under 2. Clear? So we can write A is equal to 1 and B is equal to plus minus root under 2. We can write here plus minus root 2. Otherwise not write, but look at these are the answers. Over. Students, we have completed the question number 3 of the 2.3 exercise. In the same way, we will have to complete the question number 4 of the 2.4 exercise. Same to same 2.3, 3 question, and 2.4, 4 number question. Clear? Both of the questions are related to each other. Both of the questions having bi-quadratic equation. Bi-quadratic equation. Clear? So just to think about that, when we are finding out any type of solutions related to linear equation, 1 answer, quadratic equation, 2 answer, cubic equation, 3 answer, bi-quadratic, 4 answer. So look at it, this is 4 means bi-quadratic equation. 2 answers are given, we will have to find out 2 answers. According to the same way, 2.3, question number 3, according to the same way, we will have to solve this one. So first of all, we will have to assume that when x equal to this one, 2 plus root 3, then x minus 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. Otherwise, we can write that according to this. Okay? And x is equal to 2 minus root 3. We can write x minus 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. Clear? So first factor. All of you have to first of all see that video, revise it. After then you can solve it. First factor, what is possible? First factor equal to. Look at there, I have told about that. This is the equation. We have only 2 solutions. We will have to find out 2 more solutions. Clear? Then according to the 9th class factor theorem, in the 9th class factor theorem, this one equal to this one, then we are keeping it to right side, that becomes 0. Clear? So just think about that. This and this multiplied and that big, what is big? It gives first factor. It gives a factor, clear, which is known as first factor 2 plus root 3, clear, into x minus 2 minus root 3. Now look at how much. Just think about that. When we are writing this one, clear, when we are writing this one, we are getting what? According to this one, we are getting a minus b, a plus b. So just think about that, we can write here x minus 2 plus root under 3 into x minus 2 plus root under 3. Yeah, sorry, is there minus root under 3 and there plus root under 3. So we can write here, look at the x minus 2 minus root 3, clear, x minus 2 plus root under 3. Now look at this, become a minus b, a plus b. So there a minus b, a square minus b square, clear. So look at it. What we can write, x square plus 4 minus 4x, clear, minus 3. How much? X square minus 4x plus 1. Clear? Just to think about the a minus b whole square and this one, this one square, root under 3 square is equal to 3. Now look at this is the first factor. When we are dividing this, means dividing px by this one, after then we are getting cosine. Clear? We will have to divide px by this one. Now x square minus 4x plus 1 divides x raised to 4 minus 6 raised to cube minus 26x square plus 1 and 38x minus 35. Clear? We have to divide this. What will get the quotient? We will have to factorize again. That will give 2 more answers. Look at the x square, how much? x4, then multiplied by x square, 2 to power becomes 4, x raised to 4. Now look at 4x into x square, how much? 4x cube, clear, plus x square. Now look at minus this one plus this one minus, cancel. How much? Minus 6x cube plus 4x cube, how much? Minus 2x cube. Clear? 26x square minus 20x square, how much? Minus 27x square plus 138x minus 35. Clear? Look at it. This one plus this one minus, so right minus. How much? There is 1, you have 2, then 2x, and there x with how much? X. Now look at it. X into x square into x is equal to minus 2x cube. Clear? Now look at it. Minus plus 2 for the 8 x square. X 1 2x 1 2x, so minus 2x. Now look at it. This one plus this one minus this one plus, cancel. 27 and minus 8 minus 45 x square minus how much? Plus 140x minus 35. Now look at it. How many times? Direct minus 35 times. Minus 35 x square minus plus 140x 35 minus 35. Now look at it. Plus this become minus, this become plus, cancel. Clear? So this is the second factor. So second factor, how much? X square minus 2x minus 35. Clear? We are factorizing this one. Look at it. This is known as qx. You can write here qx is equal to now, clear? X square. You can tell me that how can you write that? We know about that this one will be factorized in 2 parts. Clear? 7 5 is 35. We can write here minus 7x plus 5x. Clear? Minus 35. How much? X square. What we are taking common? X. Both having common x. X minus 7. There 5. X minus 7. Clear? How much? X minus 7. There x plus 5. Clear? When x minus 7 is equal to 0, x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 7, x is equal to minus 5. Hence, all zeros are. Look at the first one, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, after that 7 and minus 5. This question is over, all of you copy this question. Students, we are going to solve question of 5. In this question, we will have to given the information dividend, divisor, quotient not given, remainder given. Clear? So just think of dividend value is given, divisor value is here given, quotient value is not given, remainder value is given. And we are finding out, means we are asking that, we are being asked that we will have to find out the value of the x and a. Sorry, k and a. Look at, there is the k and there is the a. So look at how can we solve. We don't have quotient, then how can we find out? There are two types of variables are there, though we are not able to find out. Direct we are dividing first. X square minus 2x plus k. What we are going to do? We are direct this one dividing by this one. X raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. Now look at how many times? Direct x square. X raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus kx square. Now look at minus plus minus cancel. How much? Minus 4x cube. Yeah, they are both are different. We are taking 16 plus 16 minus k into x square. Problem? No problem. Minus 25x plus 10. Yeah, correct. How can possible? 16 minus k and x square is common. Therefore, now look at 4x cube minus 4 into x. Minus 4x cube. Clear? Minus plus 4 to the 8x square minus 4xk. Clear? 4xk. Now look at plus minus plus. This one cancel. How much? 16 minus 8. How much? 8 minus k into x. So direct. Tell me that. 16 minus 8. How much? 8. Minus k possible. Now look at both are different. Then what is there? Minus plus 4 minus 25 k. Sorry. 4k. We are taking common 4k. Clear? Minus 25 into x. We are taking common x. What we are taking common? X common. There remains 4k and there remains only 25 plus 10. Now look at 8 minus k x square. Directly we are multiplying 8 minus k. Look at it. 8 minus k into x square. Direct minus. Look at it. Minus 8. 2 8 there 16. Clear? 2 8 there. 2 into 8 minus k. How much? 16 plus 8 to the 16 minus 2kx. Minus 2kx. Clear? This one plus and there. Look at 8k and minus k square. Clear? Now look at minus plus minus plus. Cancel this one. Now look at this one. Clear? Look at this one. There are also 8 into 2. How much? 8 into 2 is 16x. 16x minus there minus 2 minus plus 2kx. Clear? Now look at 8k we are checking and minus k square. Now look at this one 4k. This one we are taking common direct. Look at it. 4k we are taking common x direct. Look at it. 4k minus 25 plus 16 minus 2k. Look at that. X taking common. There is already x common. We are taking common this one and keeping it in separate box. Now look at how much this one. There is the k square plus k square minus 8k plus 10. Now look at what we are getting. 4k minus 2k. 25 minus 16 minus 9. The 2k minus 9 into x. 2k minus 9 is into x plus k square minus 8k plus 10. Clear? Now look at this is the remainder. This is the remainder, and we will have to make it equal to the x plus a. X plus a. How much? X plus a. Therefore, first of all, copy this question. Students, you have completed this question. Clear? Then now we are making equal to the remainder according to the question. Then look at that. This is the remainder according to our process. Clear? But this is the remainder according to the question. Look at that. Given remainder is equal to x plus a, and comparison with this one, because both are remainder, so both are equal. But just to think about that. This is x. This is x. Clear? Then this is coefficient. Then both are equal. and a is equal to this one. Understood? I am repeating again. This is the remainder according to our process, and this is the remainder according to the question. But in the same question, may it possible that the two types of remainder will be find out? No, it cannot be possible. Means both are equal. Therefore, we are making equal according to the situation. Look at there. X, what is the coefficient? 1. The x coefficient is equal to 1. Means this one equal to this one. Clearly. 2k minus 9 is equal to 1. Now look at 2k is equal to 1 plus 9. How much? 2k is equal to 10. k is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Okay? No doubt. Very easy. Now look at k square minus 8k. Minus 8k plus 10 is equal to a. Now look at how much k is equal to 5. The 5k square minus 8. 5 plus 10 is equal to a. Now 5 5 ja 25, 8 5 ja 40 plus 10 is equal to this one. Now look at 25 10 35 minus 40 is equal to a. A is equal to minus 5. So k is equal to 5, a is equal to minus. Now exercise over. Thank you to all of you students. Repeat all of the questions. Okay, save for this. कितना मिनट